All right, so a stroke at just 3 months old. I can't even begin to imagine what that must have been like. But Samantha Hope is a survivor. And not only that, she paints as well, and quite beautifully, I might add, and she's with me now. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. 3 months old.
Right.
You got the stroke.
Right.
So it affects your left side?
Yeah.
And there's no way they can bring that back after so long?
I have no idea, honestly.
So what have the doctors said?
They say that it's a nerve thing from here, but like if I exercise, it's a therapy, but I've never done therapy before.
Why? You didn't want to do it?
I wanted to do it, but like my mom, it was because it's her alone, so that's why.
So it affects the entire left side?
The entire left.
Wow. And you were bullied and teased at school for that?
Yeah,
I'm
I
sure.
was bullied because kids thought I was different. They saw me as, oh, you're not of God, or you're something not human. So I'm like, wow.
That must have been very difficult for you.
Very, and if they bullied me physically and mentally.
Wow. So when did you start to paint?
I started to paint when I was 15.
So how did you know you had that kind of skill? You just got up one day and said, I wanted to paint?
No, when I was going, because I was going suicide because of the bullying.
Ooh.
Yeah.
You're over that now, right?
Yeah, I'm over it.
Okay.
Definitely.
Brilliant.
So I never used to tell my mom. I never used to tell her that I was going suicide until I was 15. And she said, come here, sit, draw how you feel, show your emotions through your artwork.
And that was the first time you painted?
That was the first time.
So you've never been taught?
No, I've never been taught.
Even now?
Even though. She showed me one time.
Yeah. Can you remember the very first painting you did and what kind of emotion came out?
I did the one with the baby.
Okay, that one right there. So
Yeah.
what were you thinking when you did that one?
I did that one because, like, as a baby, I was born normally as a baby. But yet still, I couldn't find myself because persons saw me differently. But when my mom got pregnant, I had to protect my brother. And she's the protector, so she's the mother bird in the head of the baby.
Right.
And I'm the protector because I have to protect my sisters and brothers. And I'm beautiful, but I never saw that. And the sperms, that's my dad. He wasn't there all my life. So.
Wow. So every single time you paint how you feel.
I paint how I feel.
What other emotions do you show on canvas?
I show...
What's this one? You're looking at one. What's that one?
That's...
You can just look at the screen right there.
That's Bird of Paradise. That's like the world coming together, everybody working as one. No teasing, no troubling, just being beautiful and free.
Yeah.
Which I wish I'd known back then.
Excellent. How many paintings have you? This is what you do, by the way. This is what you do. You're
this is what
an
I
artist.
do. But I originally wanted to do designing, but I branched out.
Yeah, may I look at this one?
Sure.
And this one, I hold it which way now?
No, the head is right here.
This way here?
Yeah.
All right, tell me about this one. We'll hold it together. Tell me about
This
this
one is a kisser. This one is based off of a friend/sister. She had a stroke just like me.
Okay.
But
let's see if I can turn it around a little bit more so we could get it. Yeah.
Yeah, she had a stroke just like me, but it's her right side that's damaged. But she's so beautiful, she don't know. I draw her inner emotions outside. So she, even though she smiles, she's saddened.
Yeah.
But she's so beautiful, but she don't know. And she's hurt. That's the burn, the fire.
Right.
She's so free, like the koi fish. And basically I'm saying that she shouldn't let nothing stop her from seeing the beauty within her.
Beautiful, beautiful. You paint every day?
Yeah, I paint every day. I come up with ideas every day.
You're going to paint today?
I'm going to paint today because I'm feeling happy, so I'm painting something happy today.
Like what? What you think you might paint today?
I might paint like a tiger because the tiger represents strength, and I'm so strong. And I'm going to do like a bird because I always put butterfly in every painting I do to show beauty, the beauty within me.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
It is great to meet you.
Thank you.
I love your stuff.
Thank you.
It's fantastic what you do, to be not trained to do this and to show your emotions. Many of us can't do that.
No.
Fantastic to meet you. God bless.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Visual artist, Samantha Hope. More and smile when we come back.